Hey there, Dave here, and welcome to Cleveland Crypto. Haven't made any videos on this channel in a while. That's because I was making them on the other channel, but I was doing more like a short-term technical analysis type thing. However, took a step back, thought about it, and decided that by doing those short-term technical analysis videos, I would be encouraging people to, go into trading. And trading is a lot more risky than investing and in general just using blockchain technology for what it's meant for, payments and such like that. Uh, cut. I'm going to try that again. Hey there, Dave here, and welcome to Cleveland Crypto. I haven't posted any videos on this channel in a while. That's because I was posting them on the other channel, doing like short-term TA videos. However, let's take a step back, thought about it, thought about what I wanted to do with this channel and in general, and came to the conclusion that doing short-term TA is more encouraging people to trade rather than invest. And rather than encouraging people to risk their hard-earned money, I would rather encourage Cleveland to adopt cryptocurrency to become a crypto hub. 100 years ago, Cleveland was one of the best and most innovative cities in the world. People came here from around the world to study and to develop and to create businesses. I think we can do that again. Here we are in the 20s again. So let's bring Cleveland back to the 20s. What I want to do is encourage businesses and individuals in our area to get involved in blockchain technology, to use cryptocurrency, to accept cryptocurrency as payments, develop their own cryptocurrencies, to create public policies in our city that will encourage blockchain based businesses to relocate here and start here and stay here. I also want to do some interviews, and I'll still do some technical analysis, but more on the longer side. I'll stay away from the 1 hour, 4 hour time scale, and I'll look more at like the daily and the weekly. That being said, let's take a look at the daily and the weekly. All right. We have here the daily for Bitcoin. And as you can see, we are still in this uptrend that we have been in since, November. We don't really see anything really to stop us. We have come up to resistance points, but there's nothing really coming to stop us, barring any black swan events. Indicators like the stochastic RSI are looking good, and by good I mean pointing upwards, which is usually an indicator of further upwards momentum or movement. The RSI itself, while showing some hidden bearish divergence on it, it is also showing bullish, not continuation, but I guess continuation along with the price. However, the bearish divergence on the RSI I don't believe matters quite so much, and I've talked about this on the other channel in other TA videos. If you look back here to 2019, look back here to 2019, right before we actually, went parabolic and reached the peak of that bear market rally. We started off, with the RSI reaching its peaks and then slowly working its way down as the price continued going on and on. So I wouldn't worry too much about that. And yeah, looks like over the next few days we could see some further upside. How much upside? Well, that may be, let's take a look, see what we got coming up. We got the 382, 386, the Fibonacci retracement level coming up, which could serve as a resistance point here at 37,000. And if you take a look, see here at the bear flag that we are currently showing, this is still a bear flag, you can see. If you take the measured move of that here pole and put it on that there breakout point, you'll see that we will be getting right up to that 382 line over at $37,500. So it's just a waiting game for now. As you can see, the Bollinger Bands have contracted. When those things do that, when they turn blue and contract like that, that means that a breakout is coming. A breakout in which direction? Well, we don't know. Volatility is low here as well. You can see the Bollinger Bands on the BBWP. That's a volatility indicator showing low volatility along with the Bollinger Bands. So we'll probably just chug along here until breakout. Which way is the breakout going to go? I think we're showing positive on the chart, and the continuation, the trend is positive. Barring anything bad, that's what we can do. 37,000, I think that's where we're going. Down on the negative side, what could we see? Well, we could see ourselves come down to the 236 236 Fibonacci retracement down here at $20,800. Now that area is actually notable because there is a CME gap on that spot as well. And a CME gap, what that means is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is a exchange here in the States based in Chicago. That exchange trades Bitcoin. However, because it's a stock exchange in the United States, it doesn't trade all day, every day, like everybody else does. So there are gaps. And those gaps almost always get filled. Well, there's a gap down there. There's also a gap at 25, so we'll see which one gets filled. But yeah, 25 would probably be the where we're dropping to. You can see I already have a line there. You can see we're straddling 28. We're in this this zone. We need to break up and over 28, and then make a support out of it, so that we can start working our way up to 37. Now let's take a quick peek at the weekly. Now the weekly RSI looks like it has some room to grow. It's above the signal line. Above the signal line, putting in higher highs, has put in higher lows. Upward trend. The stochastics are up at 100 and 100. Now, when you see that, it kind of means it's moving up. So yeah. Now this isn't going to be like, this is the weekly chart, so it's not going to move up tomorrow. It's not going to shoot up to 37 tomorrow. It's going to take a few weeks, maybe a month. But say by the end of April, I'd be surprised if we were not at $37,500. Alrighty. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please give us a like and a subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did it. Peace.